and we can schedule another meet as well, so that it will be clear to you how to contribute in this project. Thank you. Is there any query?
No, I don't think there is any question till now. But you can stay
Okay, okay.
active
So
on the chat where we are posting
yeah,
this,
yeah,
and you can
sure,
answer.
sure,
Okay.
sure. Okay.
Okay. So thank you for presenting. It was a great project. So next we are having Akshita Gupta. Hello, Akshita.
Hi Abhishek. Hi. Hey everyone.
Okay, Akshita, you can start presenting.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
My screen visible?
Yes, it's loading.
Okay.
If it's visible, you can start.
Okay. Okay, so hey everyone, I hope you all are well and congratulations to everyone who are selected for Script Winter of Code. So, let me tell you about myself. My name is Akshara Gupta and I have been contributing to open source in the second year of my college, and this is my fourth time being a project admin in Script Winter of Code. And it's, I think I would say, a best opportunity for the beginners to learn about open source, to contribute. So, I'll be telling you about the three projects this time I am having for SWOC4. First one is Moksh. So Moksh is the recent project like I created this year for an event by ISKCON. It was on the mental health awareness, and this project is about a spiritual productivity tool. So this project is having like features related to the like Bhagavad Gita advancement, the augmented reality meditation. That is the key aspect of this project, connecting me to nearest ISKCON events. So, like, what's the need of this project was like right now, the office workers, students, they are in so much kind of like anxiety, and they have some peer pressure issues. So the best part that is needed is the I would say the gyan of Bhagavad Gita. So here when you go through the project, you will see a lot of features, and what is expected from this website is like if you know about some nearest ISKCON event, then you can connect with the backend, and so that other people they can join them. Like there are some divine activities for all the generations, and the main part that we were developing was a Gita storyline issue. That in that issue we have like when Krishna and Arjun they were having the talk of like what we say is as a Bhagavad Gita. So how can we present it like where Arjun asks questions and Krishna replies. So, regarding the authenticity of the answers, we are using the Veda based library of ISKCON so that all the answers should be authentic. They should not be from one person aspect. So, like right now, what we are focusing on this moksha is to develop this Gita storyline in a more interactive way. This is just like a month work where like contributors they have created this beautiful storyline where the answers and questions that were being shown. So this is the feature that is being needed. There is a shlok generator. So if you are like if you know about Gita shloks and you are connected with ISKCON Veda base, you can like add some shloks in the back end. Then there are some rejuvenate section to easily learn like few shots related to Bhagavad Gita and just enhance your day, rejuvenate yourself. There is a Pomodoro spiritual break, like it's a 15 minutes break, a spirituality break for you. So just go through the website, and in the like you can when you go through the GitHub repo, you'll see all the issues that are being open. I'll add some SWOC tags related to it, so you can start contributing in it. It's a very beginner level project in HTML, CSS, JS. For augmented reality meditation, I'm using Unity 3D. So if you're interested in that, and if you are also knowing about Blender, like creating 3D models, then you can go for this MOOCs project and let me know by creating issues or any features in mind you are having, because we wanted to make this project successful. And the next project that I am targeting is the PetMe. So PetMe is here an open source platform for pet lovers, like pets to be adopted, and also the SOS option, where if you find any stray dog near your street, you can directly tell about to the nearest authority who are being taking care of these pets. So there are lots of section about this. It has two bases. One is the React end, and another was like the simple HTML CSS. It's being shifted to React, and also it has a backend. So there are two parts, and you can just let me know in which part you want to contribute, in the backend or in the front end. So go through the website, you will see lots of pages like donate, like pet news, blogs related. So if you have any kind of blogs related to pets, so you can contribute the blogs. Also, if you have something in mind for improving the user interface of this website, so please do let me know in the issues or in the Discord channel. So another project is FaceX. I think FaceX, most of the people they know about this because it's being a part since the SWOC one. So in FaceX, it's a complete collective repositories of facial algorithms. So we'll see, like you can just join the Discord channel if you have any doubts related to any of the project. So in FACEIT, you will find like all the facial operations, all the algorithms that are being implemented. You can compare the accuracy. A proper README is available in all the sections, so you can go through it. Like if you have a new algorithm for which you can implement any kind of facial recognition task or any operation, just create the issues and wait for me like to assign it and to just verify, or I would say review that particular issue. So and so at last, this was all about three projects that I wanted to show for SWOC4. And one more thing I want to say, that if you are contributing to any project and you are very beginner, so just start with reading all the documentation of that particular project. Don't directly jump into solving the issues, commenting on it, because it creates a spam when you are in a particular or like you're contributing in this. So just go with the documentation, comment on the particular issue or create a issue, ask for the review approval. Then if you are being assigned to that particular issue, then solve that issue in the particular duration or time. And if you need some time, please like ask for any help if you need from me or organizers. And also finally, just make it as a way for your learning. Just start improving in open source and get started with it. And thank you so much, everyone. This was all about FaceX, Moksha, and Petme.
Thank you, Akshita. That was your projects are really great every time we have it, and you get definitely you're definitely contributing a lot to open source. So yes, all the best, and I will
Thank
invite
you.
Manish Chaudhary now for the next project. Hey Manish, you can start introducing your project.
Yeah, I will start. So, good evening, everyone who have joined this today's live stream, and thank you SWOC team for giving me this opportunity. So, myself, Moiresh Saudari, and currently I'm in my third year of diploma in information technology, and I'm from Pune. From past few years, I have been coding and learning new technologies in computer science field, and in recent years I have developed interest in various open source projects by participating in open source events like Hacktoberfest, social summer of code, and this year in this season social winter of code. So with this I have developed several projects like machine learning models from scratch without using the existing Python libraries, and also I have developed several software GUI softwares using Python and Java programming language. Several web apps have been developed by me, and also I have developed several Android applications. Recently I have developed Android application named Celestia, which is then a voice enabled AI based assistant which can just respond to human queries simply. So earlier I joined Social Summer of Code as a contributor, and in this season I decided to join a Social Winter of Code as a project admin, and today I'm here. So I would like to introduce you to my project, to in which you can which you can contribute. So my project name, I will just share the screen. Okay. So yeah, so my project name is Mingler, a social networking site, which is a social networking site. And let me clear one thing, that it is not a clone of any existing social media, but it is unique and different in its own way. I will say that it is the perfect combination of both front end and back end. In front end, I have used basic front end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and several HTTP APIs. And at the back end, the Mingler is written totally in PHP language, which I think is still the best option for writing the backends. And with that, you can just see what all the features that are provided by the project, like user registration, authentication, account page. User can just register and can just post their posts and photos on the feed page, etc. So the reason behind selecting Mingler as a project for social winter of code event was to select the project which is diverse in nature, so that every contributor can easily contribute into my project. And even if you are beginner in in open source events and in programming, you can just head over to my repository, understand it first what exactly code base is about, and you can just find something that you can contribute in. And if you're an advanced user, have a knowledge about the backend and databases, you can just simply add your own functionalities to it, and which will help our existing users. So if even if you have any doubts or sort of questions, you can just simply head over to github.com and can search for the Mingler, my repository. Spelling for Mingler is, I will just clarify, Mingler, Mingler, and the first result will be there for my project. And my GitHub username is Mayuresh slash 22, so it will be easy for you to find out. Here I have mentioned all everything about the project, its a description, a few screenshot, how exactly the project looks like. If you want to just experience how Mingler works and what are the things, the features provided by the project, you can just simply head over to our live URL where I have hosted my project live. This is the URL, and it is also present in my GitHub repo here, and you can just visit it. I've also mentioned the installation steps, how to set up it on your local machine. Even if I have mentioned these steps here in README file, I will be creating the step-by-step tutorial how to install and set up the project into your onto your local machine, so that you can start with the contributions. And with that, if you have any questions, you can just simply uh, contact me on the Discord server of Social Winter of Code, or you can just email me at mayureshchaudhary22@gmail.com, and I will be there for your help. And with that, all the best for all the best for everyone with your open source journey. There are several project admins and mentors for your help. So all the best, and thank you so much. With that, I will stop my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Varesh. Thank you for joining us. And next, we have Kajal Kumari.
Hey, hi
Hello,
Abhishek.
Kajal. Please start the explanation of
Okay, cool.
your project.
I don't have any slides, so I'm just going to share the screen. One moment.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
Can you see my screen? Sorry, can you see my screen?
Yes, Kajal, we can see your screen. You can
Okay.
continue.
So before starting, I will just give you a brief. I have been into open source since third year. I was pretty late, but yeah, I started with open source in my third year. Right now, I'm working as SD2 at Intuit. I have been part of Google Summer of Code, and I had been working at Expedia as well before Intuit. So yeah, you name it, every open source program, I think probably I would have been there. So that's pretty much about me. Just a heads up before I start my project. This is not a very beginner friendly, I would say, because this project is already at uh, I mean, at a stage where it's already deployed and few of the functionalities are missing, which I'm trying to actually complete. So I will tell you what was the necessity of this one. So if you, I'm not sure how many of you are in tier three colleges, but in tier three colleges, the problem I faced was I was not aware of when is the internship opening, what is JSOC, what is AliSOC, what is uh, I mean, I was not aware about many things, but I had to figure it out on myself. So basically, what I was trying to do here is we make a website, and the whole motive here is anybody who knows about any of the resources or opportunity is going to fill up this form. We have an admin panel where few of the admins will have the access to verify and approve that, and once that's done, then those resources or opportunity will come into this page. Okay, so that's the whole purpose. So whether it's a step program, whether it's a open source opportunity, whether it's a blockchain opportunity, anything that is happening that is going to be useful for the students, that is going to come here. Okay, so I already have plenty of issues opened. So you can go ahead and pick any one of it. The whole thing is this whole tech stack is MERN. So you should have a base even I can arrange some sessions as well during the weekends to explain and to walk you through the code and all those things. But that will depend upon if you are also giving the effort. So if you go 1 mile, I will go 2 miles. So feel free to ask any questions. But please do not try to spam. Like if you are claiming, just claim one or two issues. That's it. Not more than that, because you should commit to what you are claiming. Okay. So yeah, I think I have made a very good readme. So it explains already what it is about, how to set up the local environment, what does it do, where is the backend deployed, where is the front end deployed. The site is on live actually. So you can go through and play around with it. What does it do? What is missing? I've already opened a lot of issues here. So you can go ahead and grab any one of it and start working. Whenever you are stuck, feel free to ping me. I'm going to guide you. But please keep me updated at least once a week, because I might check during weekend and I can get back to you on the comments or any help that you might need. Okay. So I think that's pretty much it from my side.
Okay, Kajal, great. That was pretty good set of instructions you gave. Uh, so yes, all the best. And next we will have, I guess it's the chance of Sanjay.
Hello,
Okay, hello
hello Abhishek.
Sanjay.
Hello, and hello everyone. Um, so let's start with myself. My name is Sanchit Bajaj, and currently working in as a SD, and I am from Delhi, and I have worked on you can say many different technologies like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, jQuery, React.js, AngularJS, and I have over 2 years of experience in working in the freelancing. I started at my third year in college, and currently uh, I'm an SD. So my project name is Paletgram. So let me share my screen and show you. Share screen. Yeah, is my screen visible? Yeah.
Yes, Sanjay, your screen is visible.
Okay, yeah, thank you. So my project name is Paletgram. It is a simple social media app which I got the idea from when I was going through Behance or Dribble when I was searching for designing the application for some clients. I got confused, a little confused about what color palettes I choose, what design I choose, and how can I review my designs. Like the main thing is, design is all about the user preferences. If you don't prefer the users, then your design does not go well. So that's the idea. So currently it has some features, but it isn't complete because I got a little busy with my internships, my project works and all that, and freelancing. So if you check this out, it's only 6 months old. Currently I just fixed some readmes as well. So yeah, so this is the interface. The application is hosted on Vercel, and the tech stack I'm using is Next.js and Tailwind for the UI. And Apprite is an app, as I told you. Apprite is a open source backend as a service platform where you can create your database, your edge functions. So that's about it. So this is a basic UI, as you can see. Then this is a feed that you might be familiar with, the normal simple trending pages. Then the you can say bookmark section and the post in the center. I kind of try to make it like a Twitter or a LinkedIn, which everyone is familiar with. So that's why it looks like this. Then it has a bookmark feature where you can bookmark your post and as well. So the goal behind making this and introducing into the social winter of code is that there are many chances that like professionals always get confused, like what to make, when to make, what color palettes they choose, what designs they choose, what you can say, what is the code that they are created is correct or not. So this website provide you a platform where you can share and get a review from the professionals as well. So yeah, that's about it from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask. And if you want to connect with me, you can head to the Discord server as well as on my LinkedIn. Here's my LinkedIn. Yeah. So what is the name of project? Palette Gram. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can drop into the LinkedIn. Yeah, that's
Okay,
about it.
Sanjay, thank
Thank
you
you.
very much for the
Yeah.
explanation. Now let's get ahead with the next project, that is Sayantan. Am I pronouncing your name right?
Yeah, it's
Sorry if I'm
Shantanu.
not. Oh,
So
okay,
am I
Sayantan, you
audible?
can go ahead.
Okay, cool. I'll just share my screen now. Is my screen visible now? Cool. So yeah, about me. So hi everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Shantan. I'm a third year undergrad student studying computer science engineering at Chandigarh University. So I'm a software developer and currently interning at Infigon Futures. I have experience with both front end and back end. I'm also the web lead at GDSC Chandigarh University. So I'll talk about my project. So it's a bit different than the typical projects that people have. So I've participated in previous open source programs like Swoc, the 23, and Culture Summer of Code Hacktor Fest. And in those uh, period, I found that there were many projects which contained DSA or lead code questions. People used to contribute codes, solutions of DSA and lead code. But one issue that I found was, how are you going to check that which code is perfect or which file works perfect? So there are a lot of issues, lots of codes being contributed. How are you going to check which is correct or which is not? So getting inspired from that issue, I made a GitHub bot and name it Enigma. So what it does it, so suppose you're creating a pull request on a repository, and that pull request contains the code that you are contributing. So what this bot will do, it will extract the code from your pull request and run it via using Judge Zero's API. So, and it would give the output. If the output is correct, correct output will be presented, and if it has some errors, certainly those type of errors will be presented. um, I'll show you a sample PR. Yeah, so this is the sample PR. uh, I'll show you the file. So this is a basic file in C++ which prints normal star patterns. So at first, you have to mention the language, the input, and the output. When your language is not mentioned or some fields are missing, it would give respective error messages. These are the respective error messages. Suppose the language is not found. So language not found error would be shown. If the body format is not valid, it would show the respective invalid body format error. And if everything is perfectly fine and your code works, it would generate a code execution successful message along with the output of your code. So this is my project, and the things I'm expecting from SOG, from contributors this time. So this project has a lot of scope. I'm thinking to the end goals of my project is to make this production ready and upload it to GitHub Marketplace. This project can further work on code reviews. Like for now it just executes the code and generates the output, and later on we can have some contributors working on doing code reviews on that code. Like we can right now it's an era of chat gpt and other AI tools. So you can use LangChain or LLM models to have those code reviews and more integrate those in this project and create this more production ready and more unique. So yeah, that's about my project. Thank you for having me. If you have any questions, I'll answer it in the LinkedIn chat only.
Okay, thank you, Sandal. All the best. So next we'll be having, just a minute, I need to check. Okay, it's Pranshu. So we have Pranshu Gupta with us. Hello,
Hello,
Pranshu.
hello Abhishek. Hello everyone.
Please start introducing your project.
Yeah. So, is my screen visible? Mm,
Yep, it's visible now.
yeah. Okay. So first, I'll start with a short intro. So my name is Pranshu Gupta. I'm currently in my second year of BTech. Okay. So like you can connect me on LinkedIn. So let's directly move to our project. So this is Digitomize. Okay. So basically, what the concept is that you have contests on so many platforms like let's say Lead Code, Code Forces, Code Chef, and etc. So we have combined all of them into one place. Like this is the contest section. You can find all the contests from different platforms at one place. All right. You can get like details of the contest. You can share it with your friends or like anything. Along with contests, we are also introduced challenges. So like this is the challenge going on coin. So you can earn it and one. Okay. Uh, so you can also filter out the platform like you are only interested in lead code, GFG and etc. Yeah. So that's about contest. Then we'll move to the user section part. So this is the dashboard. You can simply go to rating and like add your username. Mm, okay. Let me just show you the direct output. Okay, so this is a portfolio profile that you'll get. Then you can simply get your ratings at one place. This is also another feature so that you don't need to go to like 10 different websites and combine your data. So we'll combine it on Digitomize together. We also have a leaderboard. So like yeah, so you can get the combined rating. Like we have Code Chef, Lead Code, Code Forces, and all. So you can just get the rating. You can even filter it out. Yeah, so that's the cool stuff. Then this is our repo. uh, we have already gained like 200 stars and about 50 contributors. We are also a part of Microsoft for Startups. We are supported by DigitalOcean, Gitbook, MSME, and all. So this is the basic README. You can simply check the README. This is the tech stack. We are using React, Tailwind, and all for the front end. Backend is on Node.js and MongoDB. Like simply check out the installation and you can go through it direct. We have also made this small documentation where you can jump to it and directly like set up locally. Then you can contact us on like Discord if you face any issue. So yeah, so we have already reached like 32,000 views and 800 followers on LinkedIn. Hmm. That's all about the project. Uh, you can simply create a profile, then get your portfolio ready. We are also adding hackathons, internships, and jobs very soon. Yeah. So that's it for now. You can like contact us on Discord on the server. Yeah.
Okay, Banshu. So, from where do we get Discord IDs of maintainers? Okay, so if you want to connect with any project admin, you can directly search their name on Discord or anyone whose name is displayed in purple color. So that's the identification that particular person is a project admin. So you can search his or her name or the name of the project, and you will definitely find the project admin you are looking for. Okay. So getting towards our next project admin uh, with Bashir Khan. Hello, Bashir.
Hi, just wait a second. Let me share my screen. Mm, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible. Yes, 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 it's visible.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Smriti Pareda, full stack developer of our project. So, before diving into our project, let me explain you what is 5 days. So, we are a family of tech enthusiasts from Centurion University of Technology and Management, united by our shared passion for pushing boundaries and embracing the ever-loading digital landscape. Our mission is to create and collaborate, cultivate a space where ideas flourish and dreams turn into reality. So during making this project, we have faced a lot of problem of communicating, of lack of centralized information, resource allocation, project tracking, and collaboration. Our main motive to create this project is to create a solution that solves organizational challenges, scattered project data, and communication problem. We have used MongoDB, ExpressJS, Node.js, React with JS, and uh, other type of programming languages. So basically, our project aims to it is web application which facilitates project management by enabling real-time collaboration. The main problem was to collaborate, as when me and my colleagues were helping each other out, but we were not able to communicate properly. We were not able to see the real time difference that we were facing it. So our end goal of our project is to create the project management web application that stands as a pivotal tool, transforming project oversight seamlessly and integratedly. Just let me show you our project. So this is our interface of our project management web application. Our project management web application name is Project Studio. Here you can see our dashboard, which contains all type of tools, such as we can see how many projects we have contributed, total presentation we have done, and what are the assignments assigned to a person. Basically, you can tell that as a virtual office, as we have an admin which will see or which will go through each and everyone's work and can assign them different types of tasks according to it. We have a chat option, meetings, to-do list, and calendar. Just let's go to my profile. So here you can see dashboard. So it is a real-time thing. We have already implemented text editor. Just a second. Yeah, we have already implemented text editor, calendar, and all. These are all made from scratch. Like we don't have any third party. So I hope you all like this. And you can contribute. You can contribute in this Project Studio application in GitHub. So uh, basically, I want everyone, each and everyone who wants to contribute in this project to contribute in the present features, and you can also add in different features that are required in this project. And you can pin us. You can also contact us in Discord, and you can also contact with us in LinkedIn by Basir Khan or by Smriti Parida searching in it. Thank you.
Thank you, Bashir. Uh, Next project admin is Subrato. Hey, hello. Why this stick is burning my hand? I don't- Subrato, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. Uh, I guess I will give you some time to solve your issue. No, Subrato, we can't hear you. Please solve the issue. Until then, we have Yogesh. Hello, Yogesh.
Hello.
You can start.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yeah. I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, screen is
Hello.
visible.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So hey guys, I'm Yagesh Bobde. I'm a second year college student and I'm a full stack developer. And in SWOC, I have a project that is Gen AI, right? So Gen AI is an emerging field and it's a domain which has endless possibilities, right? And there are a lot of things. There are a lot of resources that are available, but we don't know where to access them, right? So this repository is basically a curation of various